Hi, so welcome to the weekend, Sunday, day 19. And the way that I did my intentions today was to just give myself a lot of space. That builds endurance to completing challenges, to staying consistent in my life, to just staying focused in the things that are important to me is to actually step away from them, detach from the goal for a little bit and just notice the details around me, giving myself a lot of spaciousness and time. So when I was walking in the woods this weekend on Sunday, I noticed this tree that had been gnawed on by beavers. And I just thought about how, that saying busy beavers, how busy my life is most of the time, and to just actually take stock of the busyness, the ambition, the drive, and just step back and just notice the details of all the things that are going on around me in appreciation and gratitude, and also just having a break, having a fresh breath of air and um, noticing the environment and the day and the weather and the details that I don't often stop and smell the roses to do. So, part of having strong intention is having the ability to step back and just enjoy life. So, that's my hope for you is that you took a step back and you take some blocks of time to do that, to build that endurance and that resilience inside of you, to keep going. Bye for now. Talk to you tomorrow.